Actually, it felt great. I thought it was gonna go in. So short nga lang. Diretso naman. And it was a great play design by Coach A. Hopefully, makabounce back kami next week.
Just had to ask about, yun nga, in Lugo, naging crucial kasi yung parang
Yes.
foul on
Opo.
Calvin Lynch. Talk to us, ano yung nasa isip mo noon?
Well, I was just trying to be smart, but it backfired. May fouls to give kasi kami. And pag na-foul sana na hindi gathered, nakaset sana yung defense and there's more chances makastop kami. Galing din ni Calvin, na-timingan niya and alam kasi niya eh. So, as a player, siguro have to bounce back and learn from it kasi medyo costly yung naging nangyari nun. And yung weight nung loss namin na to sa series na to. But again, hindi pa naman kami out. It's a 7-game series for a reason. It's first to 4. So, recover lang kami tomorrow and hopefully we can get our first win on Sunday.
You said it yourself, best of 7.